In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Canva, a step-by-step guide to designing clear and effective visual representations of your ideas and processes. Whether you're working on a project plan, illustrating a workflow, or simply showcasing an idea, flowcharts can make information more digestible and engaging. Let's dive right in and transform your concepts into a beautifully structured visual. Firstly, open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. It's completely free to sign up, and setting up your credentials is quick and simple. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top center of the home page. Type flowchart and click on the result. This will direct you to a page filled with hundreds of customizable flowchart templates catered to a variety of needs. Browse through these options and choose a template that aligns well with the message or process you want to represent. Templates can be incredibly helpful as a starting point because they come pre-organized with shapes and layouts that can inspire and streamline your creative process. But remember, these are just templates. They can be easily modified, so don't hesitate to pick one you like, even if it's not a perfect match right off the bat. Once you've selected a template, it's time to start customizing. Start by clicking on any text box or shape that you'd like to adjust or replace. Type in your content, being mindful to use clear and concise language, as flowcharts are about simplifying information. Regarding shapes, Canva offers a wide variety, accessible from the Elements tab on the sidebar. You can drag these shapes into your project, resize or rotate them, and position them wherever they fit best within your design. As you're organizing, it's vital to connect the shapes to indicate the flow of your process clearly. To do this, utilize the Lines feature, also found under the Elements tab. Simply drag a line from one shape to another, snapping them to available anchor points for a neater look. Remember to adjust the thickness and color of your lines, available in the toolbar above, to ensure they complement the overall design and don't clash with the text. Don't overlook the customizable options for fonts and colors. Head over to the Text tab to change your font style and size, ensuring readability is a priority. Meanwhile, the Color Picker enables you to apply cohesive color schemes throughout your flowchart that align with your brand or simply make your design more visually appealing. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to finalize. Click the Download button in the upper right corner of the screen. Canva offers multiple formats for export, but PDF, PNG, or JPEG are commonly preferred for maintaining quality and flexibility based on your flowchart's future use. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating stunning flowcharts in Canva. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!